So viewer subscriber, we have a Jamaican comedian that goes by the name of World Dog. Yeah man, the youth at this up Skimask brawling. So watch man, make we get into it. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy.
Well, you know it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
Viewer subscriber, so we have World Dog at this up Skimask brawling on the media. And if you don't know World Dog is a comedian. Yeah man, a Jamaican comedian, and he might do well so far in the business. But the youth at this up Skimask brawling, and me no know. Me need you to tell me what you feel about this, because this is just weird and what I say is unnecessary.
Version of we make him money drive car with Godspeed. Big up him man's pretty dolly and he bad beat.
Skimask just getting break in a dance hall, and Skimask already have enemy. Yo, but when make me know what to think, you see me? And me don't know. Me don't have to say World Dog is just being jealous, but it looks like that. So I'm pre-war go on.
What do you not tell me say? If you add Skimask, I say, who is Skimask? Well, I think I did Voldemort name Skimask, so they run go tell Voldemort say me over here say who is Skimask. Him get up and unfollow me. Cause suck your girl back with me a bad man in a real life pussy. You think me a comedian like you?
Alright, so viewer and subscriber. I am not a big fan of comedians. You see me? But respect the work what them put in. You see me? Respect what them do. But I'm not a big fan. And so far, what I see, World Dog is a very good comedian. But a Skimask are in the place right now. A Skimask time right now. You can't hide or grow on that. I just Skimask time right now. You see me? And basically the whole place I gravitate around the youth. The whole place I lean to fame movement. So if you feel like say you can get up and diss the youth and not get nothing back from it, you're wrong, because a lot of people are going to diss you back for the youth. You see me? So Skimask basically they in a own zone, you in a own lane of the fame own thing, and you go get up and diss the youth brawling on the media. A lot of people are going to diss you back for him. So Skimask even have to say nothing, because a lot of people are going to diss you back for him. You see me? And I don't know. You say, I make a talk and say, yo, you never know who was Skimask. And brother, everywhere you look on the media, I just Skimask. So World Dog, you can't dare so talk say you don't know who is Skimask. Cause Skimask is on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You see me? All of them big platform there. The youth depend. We have people repost his videos. People are talk about him. His new song where recently come out, Darkness. A lot of people are talk about that. So you can't come on the media and I say, yo, you don't know who is Skimask. You see me? And so that would look like say, yo, I just this the youth. You see me? You try diss the youth right there, so. Because as a comedian, you go depend on the big platform there. So you go see what go on, you go see what on the media. You see me? But at the end of the day, people are going to diss you back for the youth, because a lot of people are gravitate around Skimask. So this is just very unnecessary, and yo, a Skimask are in the place, brother. Enough people now rate that, but a Skimask are in the place, and there's no other way going around it. So as I always be a subscriber, and make me know what to think about this. Make me know if you feel like say World Dog is just being jealous. Yeah man, so remember, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. I don't know, so I can't do this without Uno. And run up the channel to 1K. Yeah man, I'm out.
I'm a scholar for my friend. Life nice, you fuck. We are living modest life, my G.